So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about CG Power Share. So after many days, we are discussing about this particular stock. So many people are having questions, especially related to the technicals. So I'll try to clarify each and everything in detail. So before discussing about this particular stock, so moving towards today's market movement, so we know a huge uptrend was observed in Nifty, and even it has crossed the 17,100 level also. So pretty good bullish momentum is present, and most of the large caps are showing a very good rally. So coming to mid caps and small caps, so still they're facing little bit of trouble. So already we know that these type of stocks have given multifold return. So now it's time for little bit of consolidation. So they're trying to move in little sideways pattern, and few are showing some good positive uptrend. So discussing about CG Power, so this particular stock is also struck in a particular range. So it is not able to cross the 90 rupees level. So whenever it is approaching that particular region, again it is coming down, again it is consolidating. So we'll discuss all the basic details. We'll go to technical charts. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the quarter result of CG Power. So earlier we have not discussed about this. So we know previously it was a loss making company. So we know on regular basis the loss was also getting narrowed. But whatever the recent quarter the company has posted the result. So clearly you can see a very good increment is present year on year basis. So everything is looking more than 100% positive in terms of financials. So what actually happens is this particular stock, when it has entered into NSE BE category, so it was traveling in a particular channel. So various negative updates were also present. We know in between power segment was also in little bit of downtrend. So that has dragged the stock, and it was completely struck in a range. So now it is trying to show some very good positive recovery. So quickly let's go to charts and we'll see what are the major levels that we need to focus. Okay, so if we see the weekly chart time frame, so you can see the golden crossover. So when that has been completed, so we know immediately momentum doesn't happen. So few stocks depends upon how the operators are reacting. So if quick buying is seen, then easily it breaks all the resistances and it continues the journey. So few take a little bit of time. So this particular stock also is taking its own time, and it is following a certain trend. So the immediate next resistance is just 5 rupees apart, which is 90 rupees level. So if it breaks that 90, you can expect a very fast movement in the stock, because it was having a huge consolidation. So you can see this is weekly chart time frame. So in weekly chart itself, you can see it has gone up, again it has come down again. Now it is trying to test the 90 rupees level. So if it completes that, definitely you can expect a very good positive movement. So nothing major negative present for this stock right now. So financials are also looking little good. So fundamentals are improving. So if we see all the mid caps and small caps, a few have fallen to a great extent. But again, this stock, after showing little bit of downtrend, again buying volume was generated. Okay, so next if we see money flow index, so that is near 47. It is completely in mid-range, so nothing to worry about that. So mid-range indicates either a strong up move or it may move in a sideways direction. So if everything goes well for small caps and mid caps, we can expect a very good recovery in CG Power. Okay, so in daily chart also, if you observe the trend of this particular stock, it is clearly indicating a no clear direction move. So you can see in this chart, so it was taking support in the 50-day, it was going down, again it was coming up. So fixed up move was not confirmed, but the 90 rupees level, as I told, is a very strong support. Resistance. Support is 80 rupees, resistance is 90. So this particular range is going to be crucial in the coming month as well. So if it breaks that zone, so as usual we can expect a very good positive trend in the upside. So keep holding. If you have taken at low levels, at any point of time anything may happen, so you need to be ready for that. And so first thing, remember that it has already given more than great returns, more than few you have invested in the 10 rupees, 12 rupees. So from there you have got this much amount of returns in just a span of 1 year. So that amount of returns, so normal large cap also has not given that. Okay, so now when it is consolidating, you need to search for opportunities if you're interested, and again when it gives the breakout, you need to book your profit. That is simple thing that you need to understand. So since it is at a very good range, you need to observe the support and resistance, and when it gives any move accordingly, you can have a very good response. So 90 above also you can do fresh buying, so better to wait now. So let it cross the 5 rupees level, so then we can expect a very good move. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So nowadays I'm busy a little bit because I'm working on various new setups, especially the regular income strategies, which I already told in the Telegram group. So soon we'll discuss those strategies also, because it requires so much amount of continuous practice, and we need to watch the market also. So that's why I'm taking a little bit of time. So definitely we'll get back to you soon. So further, if you're having any doubts, as I told, you can ask in the comment section. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.